Do you see that cat right there? Come here, girl. Usually cats actually run away, but this one doesn't. I'm gonna call this one, I don't know if it's a girl or a boy, so I had to get it a girl and a boy name. So I mean, be calling her. Does anyone know what her name is? She's on the way. I'm gonna follow her. I know what should I name her. Tyler. Or I'm just. Let me turn. Give her Tyler. Okay, definitely a girl. So, oh, what is that? Is that a coat? Is that a sleeping bear? Nope, it's just a carpet. It's just Tyler. You're a very beautiful kitty. I don't know if you're an adult or a cat. Big cat. Did I hear something? Okay. Let's go. Come here. Okay, I'm patting my... Okay, this homeless cat is lost. So I'm just gonna carry it. Sorry, I have to carry you. So this is my home. So you can follow me here. Listen. Oh my gosh. You're very appealing. Come on. You won't listen? Let's hope she follows me. This is... Oh, she follows me. Do you follow me? She follows me, guys. So this is the end of the video. I don't know if I keep her name. So I don't know, guys. Should I say, can I keep her or not? Because I've been hoping to keep her. So, because she's a very homeless cat, a female cat. So I'm gonna keep her for a little bit till people say I keep her or not keep her. Oh, don't go. Okay. Are you sure you want to go to the woods? Okay. Not very good. Okay. But get her and keep her a little bit till people say so. So subscribe if you're new. Oh my god.